Welcome to day 5 of Strength 30 Days of Tai Chi. In today's session called Enhancing Mental Clarity, we'll explore how Tai Chi can be a powerful tool for sharpening mental acuity and calming the mind. So find a place where you can do some mindful movement. So as always, don't worry about getting the movements perfect. Just follow along the best you can. I'll be your mirror image and you can have a seat at any time. We'll begin with the feet together or as close as you can. The hands can come to the lower abdomen and just taking a few deep breaths in and out. As you breathe in, the belly expands. As you breathe out, the belly returns toward the spine. Abdominal breathing. Or you can breathe in any way that feels good for you. The key is just to really observe the breath. Coming into the present moment, feeling the sensations in the body. Just letting go of all the worries from the day, coming into the here and now. And then on the next inhale, you can hold the breath at the top just for a moment, and then let it out with a big sigh, just letting out tension and stress. The hands can float down by the sides. And as you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front as if you're gathering in energy, bring it into the heart, send it down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, gather. Breathing out, directing down, nice and easy, nice and slow. One more time, sinking the chi, grounding the energy. And then from here, step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up in front. The arms get heavy, floating down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in like mist rising from the lake. Breathing out, floating down like a gentle rain. Opening the door, the start of the journey. Nice and easy, rising up. Softening down. One more time, opening the door. And then from here, the arms float up in front and then draw the hands in towards the heart as you step one foot in, shifting all the weight over to one side, and then step out to the corner as you push forwards in space. Draw the hands back in as you shift back and push forward, pushing the mountain. Breathing in, breathing out, as always, taking as many breaths as you need. One more time, pushing the mountain. This time the hands float up. They come all the way up and over and then down in front of the body, then scooping under, shifting forward. The hands come down in front as you shift back. Tai Chi circling, as if you're gathering in this energy, gather in the breath, letting it wash through the body. One more time, Tai Chi circling. And then step the front foot back in, the hands come back in towards the heart, shift the weight, step in, step out to the other corner, pushing the mountain. Shifting back, and push. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, pushing the mountain. And then from here, the arms float up, they come down in front of the body, scooping under. Gather in the energy and the breath. Let it wash through the body, Tai Chi circling. Nice and easy, nice and slow, no rush, nowhere to go. One more time, Tai Chi circling. And then from here, step the front foot back in, hug the tree right out in front. From here, the arms open wide. This hand here drops down and drifts over to the other side. The hands switch positions, and then they float across like clouds in the sky. When you get to the corner, the hands switch again, wave hands like clouds, drifting across, nice and soft, really letting go. And breathing, like a moving meditation. You can sigh out at any time. And then this time, the top hand makes a hook. The bottom hand comes up, the bottom hand floats across the horizon, the palm turns out, and then circle it around again. We call this one single whip. Drift across, palm turns away. This time you can step in if you like, and then step out as the hand floats across. One more time, single whip. You can always soften the hook arm if it gets tired. And then from here, release the hook. The hand drifts over, wave hands like clouds once again. Take your time as you step in, drifting across, letting go. Breathing. All right, this time the top hand makes a hook, bottom hand comes up, and then floats across, palm turns out, circle it around again, single whip. And you can keep going just like that. Or if you want, this time you can step in as the hand floats up, and then step out as it floats across. All right, one more time, single whip. And then release the hook, the hand drifts over, wave hands like clouds, taking your time as you step in, drifting across, nice and soft. Letting go of any tension you don't need. We'll drift across a few more times as we learn to move like nature with effortless ease. One more time, wave hands like clouds. And then both hands float down. The back hand here lifts the moon up into the sky. And the top hand floats down, brushes across. The other hand comes up, lifting the moon. Nice and easy, nice and slow. Gentle rotation. One more time, lifting the moon. All right, this time both hands float up to the back corner as we gaze at the moon. Drifting across, both hands floating up towards the sky. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, gazing at the moon. And then circle the arms in front, hugging the tree, and soften. From here, shift all your weight over to one side and step in, and then step out to the corner, and as you step out, the arms open, the front knee bends. Then as you shift back, the front knee straightens, the wrists cross, hinging from the hips, the arms float out to the sides, the butterfly. The wrists cross again, as you shift forward, open. Shifting back, the wrists cross, keeping the spine nice and long. You don't have to go very low. Just meeting yourself where you're at. One more time, the butterfly. Take a bow. Flutter the wings. And then open. This time, step the front foot back in, hug the tree, shift the weight, step in, and then step out to the other corner. The arms open out to the sides. And then as you shift back, the front knee straightens, or you can keep a slight bend. Hinging from the hips, the arms float out to the sides. Crossing the wrists again as you shift forward, the arms open. Shifting back, the arms float to the sides. All right, one more time, the butterfly. Take a bow, spread the wings. All right, this time step the front foot back in, hug the tree, and soften. From here, this hand drops down, toss away. The other hand circles on top as you step in. Both hands together, this hand pushes down, the other waves in towards the heart. Rising back up, softening down. Breathing in, breathing out. This time, step out to the corner. And as you step out, the bottom hand brushes past the knee, the top hand pushes to the corner. The top hand circles down, bottom hand circles up. Coming back to the beginning, brush knee and push. And as always, don't worry about getting it perfect. Just keep on moving. The secret of Tai Chi is continuous flow. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, brush knee and push. And then this time the bottom hand comes up, the palms face up. The hands draw in, then circle the arms out and around. The backs of the hands face each other, then spiral the palms back up. The mama bear gathers her cubs, spiraling the energy throughout the body, increasing the blood flow as well. Shifting forward, and then shifting back one more time, mama bear gathers her cubs. And then step the front foot back in, circle in front, hugging the tree. Take your time and soften. And then this hand drops down, toss away, the other hand on top as you step in, both hands together, pushing down and waving in as you soften down. Rising up, letting go, breathing in, breathing out. This time step out to the corner, and as you step out, the bottom hand brushes past the knee, the top hand pushes to the corner, top hand floats down, bottom hand circles up, coming back to the beginning, weaving it all together, brush knee and push. Just like a dance that you don't have to get perfect. Breathing in, breathing out. Nice and easy, nice and slow. How mindful can you be? All right, one more time, brush knee and push. This time the bottom hand comes up, the palms face up, the hands draw in, circle out and around, backs of the hands face each other, spiral the palms back up. Mama bear gathers her cubs. Just feeling all the sensations that you can, bringing mindfulness to the body. All right, one more time. Gather your cubs, bring them on home. Step the front foot back in, circle around and hug the tree. And then step one foot out a little bit wider. And then from here, the palms meet each other in front of the heart in prayer position, and then softening down. And then from here, the fingertips guide the way out to the side. They scoop around, and then they go out to the other side. The dragon pierces through. All right, so just a gentle rotation. You don't have to turn very far. Just getting in this nice, smooth, slow, fluid motion, like the coiling of the dragon, piercing through the clouds. And then if you want, you can keep going side to side, or you can let the hands travel upwards towards the sky, towards the mountain peak. So just getting a little bit higher, just as much as you can comfortably, and then maybe going down the mountain trail all the way to the base of the mountain. And then tune into the body, moving in any way that would feel good for you in this moment. The spontaneous dragon. So moving in any direction, going up or down, or even just side to side. Just tuning into the body's wisdom. All right, one more time, the spontaneous dragon. And then circle around and hug the tree. Step one foot in a little bit closer. And then from here, the arms open wide. The hands float down, one hand on top of the other by the lower abdomen. And then this hand floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the arm floats up. Breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind, creating mental focus and clarity. One more time, centering. This time, both hands float all the way up and over, down to the waist as you soften down, and then circle in front as you gather in the energy like you have a big ball in front of the body, coming back up to the heart and down. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. Then the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or just keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so gently, bamboo in the wind. Feeling the sensations in the body that arise. Feel the sensations of the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile, expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And then if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart, and we can finish with a bow. Thank you so much for joining me for the Tai Chi flow of the day, and stick around for a few more moments for your poem for the day as well. So today's poem that I created specifically for this class is called The Still Lake. A still lake mirrors the sky, clear and calm, low to high. In the quiet, thoughts slow down. Mental clarity, simple but profound. Well, thank you so much for joining me today. Make sure to click the link here to watch your strength training video of the day that's associated with this video, and I'll see you over there.